In this video, I'm going to show you the concat formula and what it can do for you in Notion. So the concat formula is essentially an easy formula you can input into your databases that allows you to connect two different properties together. Most commonly, it's used to combine text with numbers in order to give those numbers context, when otherwise just showing the number alone on its own would be maybe confusing if you have different views where you're just showing that number property. So I will showcase this so it makes more sense in a moment. So I'm using my weight loss tracker template here as an example. So if I just scroll down, I'll open one of the pages within this database. So as you can see, there are a lot of numbers in this database. So there's like a start weight, goal weight, how much weight's left to lose, your current, all this other stuff. And then at the top of this page, I'm just showing a few of those numbers as a summary here. So here, I just want to show the total weight lost, and over here, the current weight and your BMI. And you'll see it does say right now, current weight and BMI and total weight loss. So you know exactly what these numbers are. And I'll just show, if we go into properties for this one, for example, and I just show the current weight here and the BMI. So those are the original properties before the concat formula. So you can see if those were just showing here, it would be really confusing. And like, let's even just take out the formulas there. So that's the same information, but without the concat formula, putting context and text in front of these numbers. So as you can see, it's kind of confusing because it's like, what does 70 mean? And what does 24.2 mean, right? So this is where the concat formula comes in handy. So I'll just show you the formula. It's very simple to input. If I just go down here. So here is where I input the formula for current weight, for example. So I'll just open this up. So in order to do this, all you need to do is between two brackets, put in quotes the text that you want entered in front of the number. So in this case, I have current weight, kilograms, and then a colon in order to properly separate the text from the number, and then a plus sign, and then say format, and then just put in the name of the property or the column that you want to pull the number from, and that's it. And that is all you have to do with the concat formula. So it's basically adding these words to this property. So then it has nice context and there's no confusion. So I hope that was helpful for you.